In this video, we are going to take a quick look at auto-retopologizing multiple layers at once. Previously, you would need to select a sculpt tree layer, a single one, right-click and choose Auto-Retopo to initiate the Auto-Retopo process. And then it would auto-retopologize whatever was on this individual layer. But now you can select multiple layers and 3D Coat will go through each one sequentially and auto-retopologize them in an automated process. And it's actually rather quick. So let's get started. I am going to delete the results that I've already generated. And this is just a blank one. Okay. So let's go to our sculpt tree panel and you can do the same thing if you are in the sculpt workspace in the sculpt tree panel. Left mouse click the first layer and shift click the last layer. Or you can just click on the first one and then control click any additional layer. With that done, I'm just going to right click on one of them and I'm going to choose Auto-Retopo. The default value is 15,000 and for me that sounds okay. And I'll stick with the default values for the rest of the wizard. I don't need any stroke guides or density painting, so I'll click OK. Okay, and this is our result. You can see it's a relatively nice mesh. It did not take very long at all. And these are 3 entirely separate auto-retopologized meshes. Okay, so I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.